This film supplements the instructions for use and serves to aid understanding. This film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use. It is also not a replacement for mandatory instructions or training courses. Not all products, features, or services mentioned in this video are available for sale in all countries. Contact your local Dräger representative for more information. Mentioned trademarks are only registered in certain countries and not necessarily in the country in which this material is released. Go to dräger.com/trademarks to find the current status. In this video, we will demonstrate how to clean an already pre-cleaned pressure reducer and the remaining components of the pneumatic system. Appropriate protective clothing should always be worn for this purpose. To prepare the single elements for cleaning, the Dräger blanking kit is used. Before cleaning, first check the pH value to ensure that the correct dosage has been observed, as per the instructions for use. The pressure reducer must not be dipped in the immersion bath for cleaning, or rinsed under running water. Clean the pressure reducer and the attachments with a soft, lint-free cloth, shown here in orange. Remove any cleaning residues with water and a soft, lint-free cloth, shown here in blue. To avoid contamination, this should be carried out outside of the previously used areas and basins. Place the cleaned parts in the basket in preparation for drying. The devices are then dried either in ambient air or in a drying cabinet. For the drying time and temperature, please observe the information in the instructions for use. After drying, the components are reassembled at a clean site, as per the manufacturer's testing and assembly instructions.